Hello everyone, welcome to my class with SA. I know our topic for today is sound oh, oh, oh. First, our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe the oh sound. Number two, learners should be able to correctly pronounce the oh sound. Number three, learners should be able to identify words containing the O sound. Just like the O sound, these two sounds sound similar. The only difference is the duration or length of production or pronunciation. Do you understand? Okay. And there are many words or many spelling symbols representing this sound, just like the O sound. Do you understand? Now, and this sound can be found in many words. For instance, letter O can represent this sound in some words. For instance, story, furore or furor, gory, glory, thorax, and so on. The next is letter A or letter AL, as in wall, all, small, hall, water, call, scored, walk, ball, bulky, board, almanac, falcon, wherewithal, super, falcon. Do you do you understand? So falcon, that word is pronounced as falcon. Okay. So the next, we have an AU or AUGH, as in court, source, thought, cause, mall, daughter, auger, author, autism, fault, gaunt, launch, staunch, and so forth. So the next spelling symbol is a OUR, as in mourn, paw, God, source, your, court, cause, and so forth. The next, we have a OUGH, as in fought, brought, bought, ought, caught, and so on. We also have an OA, as in board, broad, or, raw, saw, cause, etc. We also have ORE, as in saw, bore, paw, more, thaw, caw, war, haw, snore, etc. We also have AR, as in wharf, dwarf, ward, thwart. So the next we have a OR, as in salt, pot, spot, bone, torn, forte, fourth, force, divorce, adorn, etc. We also have a OOR, as in floor, door, paw, more. Okay, so we also have a AW, as in draw, saw, raw, law, dawn, pawn, awe, awesome, awful, brawn, crawl, brawl, sprawl, okay, sprawl, gawk, maw, and so forth. And then this word, DRAWER, it is not drawer. It is also pronounced, is pronounced as draw, draw, draw. Please take notes. And you can confirm this in Oxford Dictionary. Do you understand? I think we'll be able to cover our learning objectives for today. We've described the sound, we've correctly pronounced the sound, we've also identified words containing the sound. So if this board is not clear, so I've attached the note to this video, okay, at the beginning. Please can go back to check if you can see any of these words clearly. Do you understand? And I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's lesson. And don't forget to follow me, watch my videos, like and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.